Tired of endlessly shearing sheep by hand? Get ready to unlock the ultimate wool gathering machine. Today, we're building a fully automatic wool farm in Minecraft Bedrock Edition, designed to give you an endless supply of this essential crafting material. Our first step is to set up the core shearing mechanism. Place a dispenser facing downwards. This dispenser will hold our sheep shearers. Directly beneath the dispenser, place a solid block. This is where our sheep will stand to be sheared. Now, let's get our sheep into the enclosure. You can lure them in with a weed or simply push them, ensure they are trapped securely. Next, we'll build a collecting system. Place hoppers underneath the block where the sheep will be, as they'll drop their wool through the floor. Connect these hoppers to a chest, ensuring all the harvested wool flows into one central storage. Now for the brains of the operation, the redstone. We'll run redstone dust from a lever, which will activate our dispenser, to the dispenser itself. For true automation, we'll create a simple redstone clock. Use repeaters set to different ticks to create a pulsing signal that repeatedly activates the dispenser. With the clock connected, the dispenser will now automatically dispense shears and shear our sheep on a continuous loop. As the sheep are sheared, the wool will be collected by the hoppers and stored in your chest. It's that simple to create a sustainable wool source. And there you have it, your very own automatic wool farm in Minecraft Bedrock. Happy building and crafting.